Hello friend, in this tutorial we solve a problem which is based on concept of entropy. So have a look on the question and note down in your notebook. I hope you have note down in your notebook. So before going to solve this question, let's understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. There is two water, that's mean at two state. One of water is at initial temperature of 80 degrees Celsius which of at 2 kg, and another of 3 kg at initial temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, which is mixed adiabatically at constant pressure. That's mean the surrounding pressure is constant, and we know friend, any process which take place in inverse which increase the entropy of the inverse. So in this question we have to find the increase in entropy of the total mass after mixing. So have a look on the solution. Suppose this is system first and this is system second. Mass and temperature of system first and system second is given here, and a specific heat of water is also given. When this layer we remove this layer, then system 1 system gets second get mixed to each other, and after some point equilibrium takes place. Since this process is adiabatic as given in the question, so heat lost by this system first will gain by the system second, and by using this concept we will calculate the final equilibrium temperature or final temperature of system. Here we have equate this heat released by system 1 and heat gain by system 2, and after putting these all value we get the final temperature of equilibrium. And you know friend, entropy of a system is equal to mc ln tf by t1. So by using this formula we will calculate the change in entropy of the system, and change in entropy of the system is equal to change in entropy of the system first and system second, and after putting this all value here we will get the change in entropy of the system, which is equal to 0.05915 kilojoule per kg, which is our final answer. So guys, I hope you have understand this problem, and if you have any doubt or query related to this problem, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this video.